You're about to learn the secrets of an ex-Walmart employee that made $3,647 in 1 week just by uploading pictures. Your smartphone or regular camera plus my insider secrets equals cash for you. Just listen up.
Michael, you are the man. This is Justin, by the way. And thanks to you, I've made $1,694 just this month.
I've tried to make money online for years and nothing worked. 4 weeks after ordering Get Paid Taking Pictures, I've made $534.92.
I'm not a techie at all, but that hasn't stopped me from making money. I've been doing this for 2 months now, and I'm earning an average of $300 to $350 a week.
Hey, I'd love for you to be the next person who has a success story to tell, just like Justin, Lucy, Gary, and countless others. Would you like me to take you by the hand and lead you through every single step that you need to take so you too can achieve these kinds of results? Well, you're in the right place at the right time, because for the next couple of days only, I have something incredible that I'd like to give you. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Hi, I'm Michael Davis, and I'm the founder of Get Paid Taking Pictures. Now, this story may sound bizarre, but it's actually 100% true. You're about to hear how a snapshot I took of some guy in this exact parking lot changed my life forever. And keep in mind that I still, to this day, have zero professional photography experience, special cameras, or equipment. This time last year, I was just a Walmart drone who was barely scraping by on minimum wage. I was living paycheck to paycheck, was getting very tired of never having enough money to pay all of my bills on time, let alone having extra money to actually enjoy my time on Earth doing fun things like traveling, going to nice restaurants, and having a car that I wasn't afraid was going to break down every time I drove it. Pretty much, life sucked. And I was just pissing it away with zero hope of getting things any better. I knew that if I didn't change something, that I was going to be just scraping by, living paycheck to paycheck for eternity. And I didn't want to be someone that had to work until they died. I knew that there had to be an easier way to live, and I was constantly thinking of something I could do on the internet to make money. Then one day at work, the answer to it all fell right into my lap when someone asked me to take a picture of them in the parking lot. It was just another sucky day at work. I was actually on a break outside and texting my girlfriend when, well, this guy came up to me and he said he needed some help. He wanted me to use his phone to take a picture of him walking to his car with a shopping bag in his hands. Kind of weird, right? When I asked him why, he told me that he got paid by big companies to upload photos of people doing everyday stuff, like, going shopping, eating fast food, even just walking down the street. He said he made a living taking these pictures and uploading them to these special sites on the web that collect pictures from normal people like you and I. It all sounded pretty strange to me, and I figured he was just kind of a wacko. So when he wrote down the name of one of these sites on a scrap of paper and gave it to me, I didn't pay much attention to it. Later that night, I was emptying out my pockets and I came across that piece of paper. I had nothing else to do, so I went online to check out the site he told me about. I was pretty sure it was going to be bogus. But the site was actually totally legit, and it was definitely super simple. So I uploaded a few pictures that I already had on my phone and a few from my regular camera too. Then, since I had a 6 a.m. shift in the morning, I went to bed and really didn't think anything about it until the next day. So the next morning I walked by my computer and noticed my browser was still on that site where I uploaded the pictures. I kind of laughed at myself, didn't expect anything, so I hit refresh just to see, and I could not believe it. I had earned $269.42 while I was asleep. Wow, that was incredible. It worked. But I couldn't celebrate for too long. I had to get to work that day. And let me tell you something, my shift seemed to last forever. Couldn't wait to get home. So when I finally got home and checked in again, I discovered I had made $234.79 more that day. Whoa! In less than 24 hours, I'd made $504.21. That's more in one day than I could make all week at Walmart. What's really crazy is that I was making money all from a few totally ordinary pictures that I'd snapped in various places over the previous couple of weeks. That's when I realized I'd stumbled into a gold mine. That guy may have been a weirdo, but he was also a genius. I started spending every free minute researching and learning more about this invisible internet industry. What I discovered was that there is a massive untapped industry that's ready to explode, and nobody seems to really know about it. I found out that there are these multi-million-dollar companies who want to pay for everyday pictures. So I began snapping pictures of everything I saw. Balls, grass, the sky, bricks, people, buildings, cups, straws, water, you name it. I took a picture of it. I uploaded all of them and was absolutely astounded at the outcome. Check out how much money these totally ordinary pictures earned. I mean, really, a ball floating in the pool, a quick snapshot of the grandparents on a bench, a kid at the park with his puppy, a cat peeking over the couch, a picture snapped at the farmer's market, even just a picture of the sky. Unbelievable! Now, the dollar amounts might seem huge for these, but that's the beauty of this system. It's not a one-time deal. You keep getting paid for the pictures you upload for days, weeks, and yes, even years after you've uploaded it. So as more money rolled in every day, I realized it was decision time. Keep working for $80 a day at Walmart or make $500 plus a day taking and uploading pictures. Duh! No brainer! Now I just upload ordinary pictures to these websites and get paid over and over again. It's crazy! I went from making minimum wage and barely being able to cover the bills to making thousands every month. Now I get paid by check, wire, or PayPal whenever I want. Here, have a look. You can check out some recent deposits to my PayPal account from discovering this secret little way to make money online. These are from just some of the various companies that I've uploaded pictures to. I could not believe how much different life was once I started making real money. And before long, I was finally able to have some extra cash in my wallet. Extra cash as in $5,000 I pulled out before a vacation I took to Hawaii. During that vacation, my first real vacation ever, I was able to relax, stretch out on the beach, and let my mind roam free. It was a completely new experience for me. For the first time in my entire life, I didn't feel constantly trapped and always looking for a way out of a life limited by my dead-end minimum wage job. Suddenly, I could fully appreciate how uploading pictures changed everything for me, opening the doors to a completely different life. I was hooked. I no longer have to go to a job that I hate, where I'm not appreciated and not paid well. Gone are the days of struggling to stay alive on minimum wage. Now, I travel all the time. I work very little. If you'd even call uploading pictures work, I usually spend about 20 minutes a day uploading pictures and then have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. Some days I don't upload any pictures, but that's okay too, because you keep making money for pictures you uploaded previously. You know, there are really just two essential components to achieving whatever your goal may be: preparation and opportunity. Or, as my grandfather used to always say, good luck is when preparation meets opportunity. And very fortunately for me, when this opportunity came to me, there was no preparation required. Yep, the best part of earning my living by uploading pictures is that I didn't need any special skills or previous photography experience. That was important because I have exactly zero photography experience, unless taking pictures at your brother's bachelor party counts. I'm just an ordinary guy with no special skills who's cashing in on an untapped market. The great news is there's still plenty of time for you to get in on the ground floor and ride this wave for years to come. That guy in the Walmart parking lot helped change my life, so now I'm doing my best to pay it forward. I've taken the initial information that I learned from him and have ramped it up 100-fold with all of the things that I've researched, tested, and implemented, all of which I'm about to share with you. Since so few people know about this opportunity and are uploading pictures, the demand is at an all-time high. That means there is no better time to start getting paid for your pictures than now. But you have to know how to do it the right way. But don't worry, I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm revealing all of my secrets. You're now just seconds away from getting the complete guaranteed success blueprint. Here's just a short list of what you'll get. Get my completely foolproof system that includes everything you need to get started with your smartphone, iPhone, Android, etc., or simply a point-and-shoot camera, even with zero previous photography experience. Get the step-by-step guide showing you how it's possible to turn your pictures into cash so you can start paying off your credit card bills this month. Score the insider's secrets. Shoot your income through the roof and blow past the people that don't have this insider information. Get my personal upload directory, which is constantly updated for members with a list of sites to upload your pictures to. Gain instant admission to the hidden pictures markets that most people don't even know exist, where you can earn even more money. Learn my secrets to ensure your success by avoiding the common pitfalls that can dramatically reduce your income. Plus, get some special bonuses that are so closely held that I can only reveal them to members. Finally, it's possible for you to join the money-making revolution that is happening on the internet so you can be free to do whatever you want all day versus slaving away at some job you don't like. Plus, as a very special limited time bonus, you'll also get smartphone apps that will pay you cash. This provides yet another stream of income that you can do with your smartphone. It's normally $49, but today it's included for free. There's a reason that we are the #1 way for people with zero experience to make money online, and that's because this system works. But don't take my word for it.
Hello Mitchell, I'm Vicky from India. I just brought your Get Paid Talking Picture system and I made $780 in just 3 weeks. I'm so happy that I spent money to buy this system. I was not sure that this system will work in India for me or not, but after using this, I can definitely say it can work anywhere in the world.
I started seeing results that week that I started using it, and that's what I couldn't believe. Now, I love how easy it's been for me, and in fact, I'm actually shared this with my mom and my sister, who are both now using this. So I just want to say thanks for making an incredible product, and please feel free to share this video on your website and if you want to.
People that have achieved great success all say the most important part of becoming successful is recognizing when an opportunity is in front of you and then taking immediate action. This is absolutely one of those moments. Or as Abraham Lincoln said, things do come to those who wait, but only the things left behind by those who hustle. Opportunity is knocking for you. Just open the door. Click the big Add to Cart button below and change your life today. Are you starting to see the potential here? Imagine if you could simply take pictures of whatever you want, upload them to the web, then go about your day, eating, sleeping, playing, hanging out with family and friends, knowing that you're making money from something you did before. If you simply follow the steps in the members area, that possibility is right in front of you right now. Listen to what other members of Get Paid Taking Pictures have to say.
If you're out there right now on the fence about this, definitely check this program out. Very simple, but very effective as well. Michael, I owe you a big apology. Your program works, and I'm living proof. And Michael, thank you for making an amazing program.
What can I say other than wow? I have been uploading pictures for 2 months now and have made $3,462 and counting. And to think I was going to pass up on this offer because of the startup cost. It has paid for itself 100 times over by now. I am so happy I got in with this system.
So if you'd like me to share the secret methods used to make money uploading pictures, join me today. I've simplified the process so that it's really easy. In fact, I'm so sure that you're going to be thrilled with the Get Paid Taking Pictures system that I'll ensure your total satisfaction with my Make Money or It's Free 100% money back guarantee. Grab the Get Paid Taking Pictures system today. Then take 60 days, that's over 8 weeks, to check out everything this system has to offer. If you change your mind and decide that now isn't the right time for you to start making money with your pictures, I absolutely insist that you ask for a refund. Don't wait even a second longer. Start getting paid to upload your pictures today. I'll see you on the inside.